finally Kamfa is at home. So yeah, welcoming her. He's he. So welcoming he to our home. So I'll show how we are going to install that everything into the fish tank. Yeah, stay tuned. Hey all, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all doing good. In this video you must be already you would have got to know that we are setting up the aquarium and other requirement for our Kamfa fish. So we are unboxing RX 600B. So where we got it, all these details will be displayed here, and I would have given in the description box as well. The rates and other stuffs will be varying, so I don't want to specify in this video. You can contact the person directly. It is non-sponsored video. You can contact and buy if you are interested this kind of aquarium. As per our requirement, we have got 2 feet tank. This is a molded tank which comes with the top filter and LED light. It is RS600B tank model name. So this is how it overall looks like. It is crystal clear glass as well. So it is very nice with the light and everything. So you will be seeing in further in this video. Watch till the end how we are going to setting up the thermocol, how we are adding heater, filter, everything we are going to do manually, and that you will see in this video. Complete setting up of the aquarium till we add the fish into this particular aquarium. So let's get on. We'll do together how we did it, and all the details we'll keep sharing as and when we are doing here. If you like anything on this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe and stay connected to my channel. So if you are looking for buying of this particular aquarium, details are below description box and also on the screen. You can contact fish. We got it from flowerhorn. That details also is there in the description box. Once I have an aquarium, we are filling little water and we will be cleaning them, and we'll let water sit for 3 to 4 days. You can clean this way, not to add any soap, any detergent, natural way, just scrub it. It will all be fine. But when you're buying a tank, that you should make sure they're in a good quality, so that most of the good quality tanks will not have dust attached to it. If you scrub it, it will easily come out. So you can see a lot of dust is come out. This is how we clean as well the other tank. So this has helped us to keep the tanks clean and neat. So if you scrub it and all, it will have a scratches and it will give a room to dust to sit on it. So it always uses soft cushion like this. After cleaning the tank, we are refilling the fresh water. So we are letting this water to sit in this tank for 3 to 4 days. This is why we do this, because to create the bacterial activity to happen and the water to get aged. This will help a fish to adopt a new house easily without any shock. And I also, what I'm trying to do is checking for the leakage, and other like LED is working, filter is working, all other things are working. I'm just checking here. Once the tank is all fine, then we are out on the road buying for sticker for the back end. We also can add the color one, scenery one, but we thought we'll add the blue one. And we have bought the thermocol for the below of the tank, to save my furniture. If there is any leakage or something, I'm adding the thermocol layered in the below the tank. So here we took the measure with the scale, and my hubby is helping out, cutting out and making it ready. So top filter is ready now. So we have put the sponge, that filtration sponge. So you won't get the customized size. So you have to cut and adjust according to the size you have it. So we have done that. Top filter is ready, and this is the light you can see. Once the filter is fit, now I am sticking a background sticker. So before sticking a sticker, this is the soap water. I'm spraying it. Now I'll be sticking the sticker on it. Slowly pull that sheet from the sticker. Now I will take the sticker with. You should have little patience and slowly stick it without any air bubbles into it. Before sticking sticker, again I'm spraying here the soap water, and now let's go and stick it to the background. Here I'm using, you can use your debit card and pull out any visiting cards. Just eliminate all those air bubbles stuck in that sticker. If somebody is doing for first time, I'm just showing them slowly. Once the sticker is ready, now we'll be keeping the thermocol in the bottom of the tank. So that's also we are done with. Now we'll refill the water and we'll do the stone setting and fill the water on the filter. The whole 2 to 3 days we'll let it sit keeping the water, and then we'll get the fish and we'll release into it. So stone setting, sir, like the where we got the fish, they suggested that not to use a small stone because Floran and Kamfa are little playful. They will swallow the stones, so they advise us to get the bigger size ones. So that's the reason we have selected pretty bigger size, which will easily not get into they cannot swallow it. So we have used like colorful stones. It will look little attractive, and the main reason we keeping blue in the background because the fish is so colorful. So we want that to be a pop out highlight. So that's the reason we have been selected blue background. So this is the water which we have already filtered and we had kept it. So to do the stone setting, we had taken those water which was there in this aquarium for 3 to 4 days. Now we'll put this water back and we'll add little fresh water too. So yeah, let's see. Now we are filling. So we are done putting adding those water which was there in aquarium. Now we are adding fresh water for another half of the aquarium. So if you're wondering how to take care of Flora and Kamfa, there's a dedicated video we have made when we visited Sai Floran. The sir has shared the complete details, what is the food, how to take care, what is the challenges that you will face it. So please watch that video. It is there in the above iCard. But we should need a space, so we have filled till here. Now we will turn on the filter. So we are checking whether the filter is working fine after we have put the cushion and all. Yeah, it's working fine. So the only thing is left out to welcome the fish into this tank. So we let it sit this for another 2 days. So let the water, whatever we added, the fresh water also gets filtered. Yeah, the overall tank looks like this. So day is here. We are again back to Sai Floran. So I'm revealing which fish we have taken. So if somebody has already watched that video, would be wondering, no, which one I have picked for my hubby's birthday's gift. That fish you are going to see now. So yeah, let's welcome together with me. Hey, I forgot to mention, just non-sponsor video. It is just my experience, my honest review. ಅದು ನೋಡು ಬಚಾವ್.
ಈಗ ಸರ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ಸು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹತ್ರ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ ವೀವರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಔಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಇವಾಗ. ಸೊ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ನ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು
ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗೇ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಏನೊಂದು 10-20 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನೀರು ಸಮೇತನೇ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀರು ಬೇಡ
ಬರೀ ಇದು ಮಾತ್ರ
ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿ.
ಸೊ ಈಗ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ. ಸೋ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟೆಡ್. ಸರ್ ಈ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಒಂದು 48 ಅವರ್ಸ್
3 ಡೇಸ್
ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮುಂಬೈಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಟ್ರೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದು 3 ಡೇಸ್ ವರೆಗೆ
ಸರ್ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, ಪೇಪರ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ನಾವು?
ಸರ್ ಅದು ಭಯ
ಪಡುತ್ತೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕವರ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ, ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಓಕೆ.
ಹಂಗೆ ನೀವು ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಭಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಬೇಗ.
ನನಗೇನೆ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಇದಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ.
ಹೌದು.
Kamfa is also here. She's here. And we have got heater in the side, and we have got fish food, everett. There's 2 types of food they have given. One was humpy head, so increases the head growth shape. Humpy head, this will increase the head and growth and the shape of the head. For that, this is for the color maintenance, I feel. Yeah, everett. So you can find out whether this is an original or not. You will have this badge and other details here that will help you to figure out whether this is original food or not. So that's what the sir also told, how to figure out this is the original food or not. So wherever you are buying, just make sure you buy a original one, because that will affect your pet, your fishes. Fitting the heater. We have fitted the thermometer heater as well, so everything is set ready. So last left with releasing the Kamfa into this tank. So yeah, I'm so excited. The sir has packed very nicely. We're using 3 rubber bands so that the fish is safe inside. So now we are getting that into the bucket. So they advise not to put this water inside the aquarium, so we have got the net as well. So slowly we'll take it. We safely released him without damaging any damages. So let's see, is going to check out his new house. Hopefully he gets adjusted without any issues and problems. So yeah, the day when we get, they asked us to not to feed him, so we should be feeding from the next day. So we got him on weekends on Sundays. So Sunday we are not feeding him. From Monday onwards we'll be feeding him. Isn't he beautiful? He looks so beautiful in this aquarium than comparatively when I saw him in Sai Floran there. In this light and those setup, he looks like one diamond set in aquarium. So I've named him Sky. The main motto was me gifting my husband what he likes it. He literally liked, and he was playing like a small kid with that fish. He has a lot of stress. Hopefully this Sky will help him to get his stress, and as well he also enjoys our company. So welcome home, my cute little Sky. So he's checking out overall his house. He's liking, because the day one he got into this, I didn't see any stress, because we were monitoring him if there is any stress or something. That's it for today's video. I'll see you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.